This is a creative sound card, 5.1 VX, and this has wolfson IC wm8772, which is over here, and the output op amp is Texas Instruments M33078, which you can see over here. And I have modded this by changing the electrolytics, and I have used Leyland REA series capacitors, which Sony and Philips generally uses in their 5.1 channel system. And a combination of all three things, that is Wolfson DAC, Leyland capacitors, and Texas Instruments IC, that is MC33078, sounds really great. But unfortunately this sound card died because of PCI Express port problem, and now I am looking to build a DAC based upon Wolfson IC.